Hi children, in the previous video we discussed up to worksheet 5, right? In this video we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet 5A. Okay, what is the first question ma here? If A is equals to 2 power 12 into 3 power 5 and B is equals to 2 power 7 into 3 power 8, then the HCF of A and B. HCF of A and B. So A is equals to here 2 power 12 into 3 power 5. Okay, next B is equals to here 2 power 7 into 3 power 8. Okay children, see here, as per this one what they are asking? HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor means here 2 power 7 is the highest common factor. Why? Because here 2 power 12 is there, here 2 power 7 is there. Here you may have the doubt, ma'am, here 12 is greater, no? Then here 12 is the 2 power 12 is the highest common factor. 2 power 12 is the factor of A. Okay, 2 power 12 is not the factor of B. Here highest common factors means those two numbers also should be have that common factor, and that common factor should be the highest common factor. Okay, that one only no HCF. So that's why here we can write this one as here 2 power 7 is highest and here 3 power 5 is the highest common factor. Okay, so we can write this one as 2 power 7 into and here the leftover 2 power 5. Okay, 7 plus 5 is equals to 11, sorry 12, no, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. That's why 2 power 7 into 2 power 5. Understand ma? As per that exponents in that one we know that a power m into a power n. I think in that next classes you may learn that a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, as per that formula here we separated this one into 3 power 5. Understand ma? And we can write this one as 2 power 7 into, and here 2 power nothing is there, no? So that's why again multiple by 8, sorry, multiple of 3 we have to write. 3 power 8 is there. We can write this one as 3 power 5 into 3 cube. Shall we write like this? 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Understand ma? 3 cube into 3 power 5. Am I clear? Yes. Now here HCF they are asking, no? See that the common factors 2 power 7 is common and 3 power 5 is common. 2 power 5, 3 power 3. Those two are not common factors. For that LCM we have to take these two also. Along these two numbers we have to write that LCM. But this is HCF, which means here common factors only we have to write. Okay. Then here what is the HCF ma here? 2 power 7 into 3 power 5. 2 power 7 into 3 power 5. Understand? Which option is suitable to this one? Which option is correct ma? 2 power 7 into 3 power 5. Option D is satisfying here. Understand? Yes. Next, second question. The HCF of A and B is 79. The HCF of, given that HCF of A and B is 79. So here two numbers are given, no, A and B HCF is 79. Then here, therefore, the numbers are A into 79 and B into 79. Understand ma'am? A into 79 and B into 79. Understand? Why? Because here 79 is a factor, means 79 is a HCF of those two numbers, which means 79 is a factor of A and B, which means here A is a multiple of 79 and in the same way B is also a multiple of 79 only, no? After cancellation only we will get here 79 as a common factor here. Okay, as per this one here what they are asking, A by B is reduced to lowest terms. A by B is reduced to lowest terms means now A into 79 by B into 79. We can write this one as A by B into 79 by 79. Don't do that cancellations here. Okay, then here these two A by B is that the lowest terms, what is that A by B here? That value A by B, one of the value is there. That value is reduced up to 97 by 79. 97 by 79. So what they given here? 97 by 79 into 79 by 79. Then we will get that those two numbers. Understand ma? See here. What is the first number? 97 into 79. 9 sevens are 63. 9 nines 81 plus 6 87. 7 sevens 49. 7 nines 63 plus 4 67. 3 10 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. 7 663. What is the first number? 7 663. By, and here 79 into 79. 79 into 79. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. Sorry. 79 into 79. 9 nines are 81. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 8 is 71. Okay. 7 nines are 63. Next 7 sevens are 49 plus 6 55. 1 4 12. 6 2 4 1. What is the next number? 6 2 4 1. Then what they are asking? Then what are the numbers A and B? Therefore A is equals to here 7663. B is equals to here 6241. Understand ma? Why? Because here A by B values they are asking, no? Here this value already reduced up to 97, which means 97 into 79. Am I clear to you? Or else if you have any doubt, then here just take that A by B value, so you can take that X by Y also. X by Y is that the reduced values of something 97 by 79. Okay, reduced values, those two numbers, some let it be X and Y. Understand ma? So here also you can take that X and Y. A by B is equal to X into 79 and Y into 79. Am I clear? Then X and Y we can take that the numbers 97 by 79. Understand ma? Let X by Y is equal to 97 by 79. Am I clear ma? Then here which option is satisfying? 7663, 6241. Understand? So here these two numbers are that A and B, and after cancellation of these two numbers we will get that 97 by 79. Understand? And here this is the reducer form of that A by B. So reducer form we can take it as some X by Y. Okay, for your understanding only I written like this X by Y. Or else if you know that means, then directly you can take that A means A value, that is multiple of 79 only, no? So directly you can write that. Understand ma? Yes. Let us see that next one. 2520. Yes. 2520 written as 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7. Yes. Next 3300, which one written as 2 square into 3 into 5 square into 11. Understand? Next 4725. Okay, 4725 we can be written this one as 3 cube into 5 square into 7. Understand ma? Then here HCF is A power X into B power Y. So here B power Y. So here we need to find that HCF. HCF we need to find out. Understand? See here. Common numbers we have to write. Here 3 square 3 and 3 cube is there. So what is the common factor here? 3 into here 5 square 5 square. What is the common factor here? 5. Next 7 is there in these two numbers, but here 7 is not there. Okay, here 5 is the common factor. Why? Because the 5 is there in leftover two numbers also, 3 is there in different two numbers also. Understand ma? So that's why 3 into 5. As per this one, also given that A power HCF is equals to A power X into B power Y. Okay, therefore a power x into b power y is equals to 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Yes or no? 3 powers nothing is there, no ma, so that's why 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. As per this one, what is the value of x here? X is equals to, here a is equals to 3, x is equals to 1, next b is equals to 5, next y is equals to 1. Understand? Now what they are asking here, we need to find the value of x plus y. So x plus y is equals to 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2 is that answer. Understand ma? Here they are not asking that what is the HCF. After finding that HCF should be right as the power. So 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. After that we need to find x and y values. Next we need to find that x plus y value. Clear? So which option is correct ma? Option C is correct, that is 2. Clear? Yes. Next question. 28,152 is equals to a cube into b square into c into d. Then the value of c plus d minus a plus b. Okay. Then here we need to find that the prime factorization of 28,152. Prime factorization we need to find out. Understand? See here. 2 14s, 2 140s, 280, and here 2 7s, 14, and here 2 6s, 12. Clear ma? Next 2 70s, 40, and here 140, and 2 3 6, 2 8s, 16. Next 2 35s, 70, 2 19s, 38. Next 9 10 18, this is the multiple of 3. 3 11s, 33, 3 7s, 21, 3 3s, 9. Again this is the multiple of 3. 3 3s 9, 3 9s 27, 3 1s 3. Next this is the multiple of 17. 17 1s 17 2s 34. 17 2s 34, and 51 is there. 17 3s 51. 23 1s 23. Understand? So as per this one we can write that 28152 is equal to 2 how many times there ma? 3 times there. So 2 cube into 3 how many times given? 2 times there. 3 square into next is 17 power 1 into 23 power 1. Okay. Now compare. Now compare 2 cube into 3 square into 17 power 1 into 23 power 1 with what they given here? A cube into b square into c into d. As per this one, a is equals to how much ma here? 2. B is equals to here 3. C is equals to 17. D is equals to 23. Just observe that here a is equals to 2, a cube 2 cube, next b square 3 square, 17 power 1 c power 1, d power 1 23 power 1. Understand? Yes. Now here say that what value we need to find out. Now c plus d minus of a plus b. So what is the value of c here? 17 plus 23 minus of a plus b, so 2 plus 3, which is equals to 23 plus 17, which is equals to 40, minus 2 plus 3, 5, 40 minus 5, which is equals to 35. Understand? Then here which option is correct? Option B is correct, that is 35. Understand ma? Yes. Next see that 15th one. If 14 is the HCF of x and y, where x and y are the 12th and 13th multiples of it, then here x plus y value we need to find out. Understand what they are asking? Okay, the 14 is the HCF of x and y is 14. Where x and y are the 12th and 13th multiples of it. Therefore, x is equals to 12th multiple of 14. 12th multiple of 14. Next, y is equals to Understand ma? Y is equals to 13th multiple of it. So 13th multiple means 14 into 13. Understand? This is the meaning of that. Now here what is that value? 12 4s 48 and here 168. Clear? And see this one. 13 4s 51 and 181. Sorry, 13 4s 52 and here 13 1s 13. So totally here 182. Understand ma? 14 13s 182 only, no? Yes. Now what they are asking here, x plus y is equals to 168 plus 182. This value we need to find out, no? Yes. 6 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1 15. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 350. Understood? Then here which option is correct ma here? Option A is correct, that is 350. Yes. Next, sixth one. If A, B, C and D are 10th, 12th, 18th and 21st multiples of 3, then the least number which when divided by A, B, C and D leaves 8 as remainder in each case. Understand? See here. They given that A is the 10th multiple of 3. So 3 into 10. B is 12th multiple of 3. 3 into 12. C is 18th multiple of 3. 3 into 18. D is 21st multiple of 3. Okay. 3 10s 30. 3 12s 36. 3 18s 54. 3 21s 63. These are the values of A, B, C, D. Now what they are asking ma? The least number. What is the least number which when divided by A, B, C and D leaves 8 as the remainder. So here we need to find that LCM of 30, 36, 54, 63. This one LCM we need to find out. Okay. First find the LCM. 30, 36, 54, 63. So these four numbers are also divisible by 3. Yes or no? 3 10s, 3 12s, 3 18s, 3 21s. Next again by 2. 2 5s, 2 6, 2 9s, 21. Next by 3. 5. 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 7s. Okay. Next all the numbers are prime numbers only, no? So directly take the product. Then here what is that LCM here? 3 2 3. 3 how many times they given? 1 2 3. 3 times 3 is there into 2 how many times there ma? 2 into 2 2 square into 5 how many times there? Only one time and 7. So totally how many numbers are there? 1 2 and here 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 3 plus 4 7. Clear? Yes. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 into 4 into 35. Okay. 27 into 35 2s 70. So 72 is 140. Clear ma? Or 4 7s 28 and here 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10 into 35. Okay. Then see here. What is the product of those two numbers? 108 into 35. What we will get? 8 5s 40. Okay. 0 5 1s 5. 540. Next 3 8s 24. So we can write this one as 24. 3 1s 3. 0 8 7 3. 3 7 8 0. Okay. Now if you divide that 3780 by 30, then you will get that exactly divisible, then the remainder is 0. Okay. Why? Because this is the least common multiple. Least common multiple means these three numbers are the factors of what numbers are given. Those all numbers are the factors of that 3780. Factors of the given number means here what is the remainder? Remainder is 0 only, no? But here what they are asking, it leaves the remainder as 8. It leaves the remainder as 8. Then the number is, therefore, the number is 3780 plus 8, which is equals to 3788. If you divide this number with 30, then 8 is the remainder. If you divide this number with 36, then also the remainder is 8. If the given number, this number is divisible by 54, the remainder is 8. And this number is divisible by 63, then also the remainder is 8. If you have any doubt, just go for the checking process, ma. Okay. So finally, what is that answer? 3788. Okay. And see that next question. 7th one, yes. The HCF of two numbers is the square root of 441. Okay. Then one of the number is 840. Then the other number, which is the consecutive multiple of square root of 441. Square root of 441. One of the number is what is the number? 840. One of the number. What is the another number? Another number is the multiple of the nearest consecutive multiple of square root of 441. Square root of 441 is 21. Okay, then here HCF also they given. HCF is also 21 only HCF. That one only given. Understand, ma? Now here consecutive multiple. Consecutive multiple means here 840 is there, right? So 21, it's a consecutive multiple. See that 840 is divisible by 21. Divisible by 21. So 21 40s, 840, 0. Understand, ma? 840 is the multiple of 21. Understand? 21 into 40 is equals to 840. Now here it's a consecutive multiples we need to find out, right? So consecutive, see that, ma? So here 840 is the multiple of 21. It's a consecutive multiples means, see here, either 21 into 39 or 21 into 41. 21 into 41 consecutive multiples, either that is the preceding number or that is the succeeding multiple. Okay, whatever it may be, that is the consecutive multiple, either previous multiple or next multiple. They didn't mention in that question, no? So that's why here these two values also we need to find out. So 21 into 39, what we will get? 9, 9 2s are 18, 3 1s 3, 3 2s are 6, 9, 11, 6 7, 8, 819. 819 or 21 into 41, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 6, 8, 861. Okay, these two also possible here. Yes or no? See here, then what is that answer? 819 is possible, 861 is also possible. A but not B. Those two also satisfies, no, here. That's why here A and B. What is that answer? Answer is option A and B also satisfying that, either preceding number or the next number. Understand, ma? See that next question, 8th one. If HCF of A into B is 96, HCF of A into B and B into C, which is equals to 1 and 2. So here HCF of these two numbers is 9. How much they given? 16. HCF of these two numbers is 16. So as per that, given that HCF is 16. So HCF is 16 means these two numbers are the multiples of 16 only, no? Or 16 is the factors of these two numbers only, no, ma? So that's why here which one is in common here? B as common. So I want to write this one as A into 16 is equal to 96 and 16 into C is equal to 112. Understand? As per this one here, A is equal to 96 by 16. 16 months and 16 6 96. So A is equal to 6. Understand? As per this one here, C is equal to 112 by 16. 112 by 16. So which numbers are satisfying? 16 7s 112. Okay. Therefore here C is equal to 7. Understand? Next, A and C are relatively primes. Yes, A and C are relatively primes. This is satisfying or not? The HCF of 6 and 7 is 1 only, no? So we can say that 6 and 7 are relatively primes. 6, 7 are relatively primes. This one also satisfying. Relatively primes means co-primes. Co-primes or relatively primes. This one also satisfying. Now what they are asking? Then their LCM. Okay. Now here LCM of A and C is 6 into 7. 7 6 are 42. Understand, ma? Then here which option is satisfying here? Option D is satisfying, that is 42. Clear? Yes. Next, ninth one. If the HCF of A power X and A power Y is P. Okay, HCF of those two numbers is, the HCF of those two numbers is P. When X is greater than Y, X is greater than Y. So here let it be some two numbers, then P is, what is the value of P they are asking? Okay, P into A power X and here P into A power Y. Okay, two numbers. These two are the two numbers, no ma? P into A power X and P into A power Y. Now here another also given that X is greater than Y. Then here HCF of those two numbers should be P. Okay, then here P is equals to A power Y. Then P is equal to A power Y. Why? Because here what is the smallest value? That one only here. I mean here X is greater, A power Y. Y is smaller. Okay, then here A power Y is common in those two values also, no? Then only we can say that that is the HCF. See here, let the numbers are here A power Y into A power X and another number, what is that? A power Y into A power Y. Then only here the HCF is A power Y, no? Understand, ma? Then only that value is satisfying. Understand? If you will take that A power X, okay, but here A power X is greater, already here the condition they given, X is greater than Y. X is greater than Y means this is not satisfying, no? Okay, so that's why. Here one more example I will tell you, say that 2 cube and 2 square. HCF, what is that HCF, ma? 2 cube and 2 square. What is that HCF? HCF is 2 square only, no? Why? Because here 3 is greater than 2. Okay, X is greater than Y. Okay, then what is that HCF here? 2 power 2 is the HCF. And here HCF already they given HCF as P. So that's why here P is equals to A power Y. Understand? So which option is satisfying here? A power Y. Actually these two also same only. Same values they given, A power Y, A power Y. Okay, so you better to change one of the option as A power X. A power X. Then here A power Y. First option is correct. Understand, ma? Yes. Let us see here 10th question. The LCM of that given numbers. So see here LCM of, what are the numbers? 512, 1024, 3072. And we know that 512 we can write it as 2 power 9. The prime factorization of 512. Understand? Just see that. 512. 256, 2 128s, 254s, sorry, 264s, 232s, 216s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. So how many times 2 is repeating, ma, here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is equals to 2 power 9. Understand? And in the same way 1024 means 512 into 2. 512 into 2, which is equals to 4 to 10. Okay, so already 512 we can write it as 2 power 9. So 2 power 9 into 2, which is equals to 2 power 9 into 2. Okay, that is the value of 1024. 2 power 9 into 2. Clear ma? Now here 1024 into 3. What you will get here? 3 4s 12, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, 0 3, 3072. Understand? So 1024, 3072 is equal to 1024 into 3. So 1024 we can write it as 2 power 10 into 3. So 2 power 9 into 2 into 3. Yes or no? We can write this one as if already 1024 we can write it as 2 power 9 into 2, no? So simply we can write this one as 2 power 9 into 2 into 3. That's what I written here, 2 power 9 into 2 into 3. Now here LCM they are asking, no? LCM say that common ones. Next here these two are common. Okay, then here LCM is equal to 2 power 9 into 2 into 3. So we can write this one as 2 power 9 plus 1, which is into 3, which is equals to 2 power 10 into 3. Okay, then here which option is satisfying ma? Yes, 2 power 10 into 3, option C is satisfying. Am I clear? So here up to here 10 questions only given in that worksheet 5A, and in the same way up to here playing with numbers concept also completed ma. Okay, in that next video again we will meet with the next concept.